Thank
Okay.
you.
So if I go into my drive, and I'll just pick up a little PowerPoint thing. So here's this PowerPoint that I put together. I can't remember what it was for, but something. So I would have this one up, and then I would go to Screencast-O-Matic. So Screencast-O-Matic right here. And you can just click Start Recording for free. Launch a free recorder. And it'll download this free recorder.
So you don't actually have to sign up. You just
No, you don't have to sign up for it. It doesn't cost anything to do it. If you do it this way, the recorder will have a little a watermark on it. So
okay.
Okay, so then it comes up with this little block right here.
Mm-hmm.
So just everything inside of this block will show up, and then all you have to do is hit record. 3, 2, 1. I've got to be on this, and then you could go present here. 3, 2, 1, whatever, and then read aloud whatever it is that you're doing. So I'm recording this right now, and then when I'm done recording it, then I put on here that I could have this is just my screen. This is screen and my picture, and this one here is just my picture. So you can choose how you want to record that, and then when you're done recording, then you just hit done, and you can save and upload it. So here's this save and upload. So that's the video that I just did. You can cut some of it out. So if you had some stuff in the beginning that you didn't want on there, go present here, whatever, and then read aloud whatever it is. Okay, so that's all there. Now you can save it as a video file here, or you can go onto YouTube and create your own YouTube account using your Google login, and then you could just upload it to YouTube. So if I upload it to YouTube now, it's uploading it. I can change the name of it. Test ... whatever. I can tell it how, it's education. This is I've got it public, and then I just hit publish, and it will publish that to my YouTube channel. I'm going to stop publishing it because I don't really want that. And then I'm going to get out of this here. So then when I'm all done and I've uploaded it to YouTube, I can go to YouTube here, and I can go to your videos, and here's my videos that I have made and uploaded right there. This one's a really fun one here. This is my intro. So that's more stuff than you probably need to know about. I'm just trying to make my videos a little bit more fun. So I have a little intro to it, and then it'll come into the video itself. But anyway, all of my videos are right there. So when you are going to send the video to somebody, let's see, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do.
Tim, could we just make a page for Lund School, and then we just all put ours on that?
We'd have to have an email account for Lund Schools. I mean, we could try. I could see if we could do that.
It'd be pretty easy though, just to have your own. Hey, I was wondering, so like to take pictures, like for your story, are you just gonna kind of just take pictures of each page and then upload them, make a PowerPoint, and then okay.
Yep, that was what I was planning on doing. Take pictures of each page, and upload them onto PowerPoint, and then just read right from the PowerPoint.
Okay. Yeah, I get it.
And do we have to like put any disclosure like that this is someone else's book, or just when you read the author? And
when you read it, of course, you're going to say, this
I mean,
is
you're going to say the author and illustrator.
by Bill Pete, and yeah, I think that covers your. You're not saying this is my own work. You're saying this is by this author. So as long as
There's a lot of celebrities that do that on on the YouTube channel of them reading their other people's books, Anyway.
Yeah, and I think just so long as you give credit to who the author is, I think you're fine. So.